Hi, Paul. We're underneath the floor of the Earl Carroll Theater.
Yes, we are.
What do you got here?
Oh, more junk than you could shake a jump stick at.
Yeah, don't shine that light at me because I can't see
Oh,
nothing
sorry.
when you do that. You can shine it over there.
You see what it says? Up, down,
The only things that matter.
and not the only things, but close. And it's on a screw.
I see that.
So what happened is somebody could stand on this platform over here, up, and it goes up.
Wait,
the
you
stage.
would get inside this here under the stage.
Yeah, this is all the way up right now.
So you're telling me the most beautiful showgirls in the world stepped into this disgusting basement, got on that platform, and were elevated into the
It was
show.
less disgusting. It was new.
Okay.
But yeah, there's a platform over here, and you could up, down, and it had a motor. You can see the drive.
I can.
And the screw would bring you up through the center of the stage.
How fast do you think they would come up? It would be sort of like they were coming out of the ocean?
Yeah, yeah.
Wow.
I don't think very fast. You wouldn't want to do it very fast, but that's one of the really cool things about this stage. And at the risk of embarrassing myself, I think there's another one of the same over here.
So here are the mechanisms that make the whole stage itself turn. And the stage is up there, buried under the floor. It's all true.
I've never been in there, so I don't really know, but I think that's another.
Oh, there's got to be a place where a second lady can be
think
elevated.
that's
Because you want to
another
have two gorgeous women coming up at once because two is better than none. Or one. And lots of signatures from people who did shows here.
Yeah.
See
Oh,
what's going on a little bit.
oopsie. Glad I'm wearing a hard hat. So we're under the stage again.
We're under the stage, but this is probably where the bandstand was because this is all, Nickelodeon stuff.
Yeah. Wow. This is amazing, Paul.
Yeah. And it's a damn shame that no one is taking this over for bands or for a show place. What should happen to this place?
What?
This is in Paul Greenstein's great world. The city should buy this place, restore it all, and use it for, city venue, Hollywood city venues, whatever you want to call it.
Yeah. Official showroom of the city of Los Angeles. It's a lot to be proud of. There's a phone number. Maybe we'll call them and something will happen. This basement contains chemicals known to the state of California to cause bubonic plague, it says.
So does everybody.
Yeah. Well,
I think the city should buy this building.
City should buy this building.
Karen Nora Kaysen-Fisher worked here during Star Search, season 2 to 3.
Yeah, there's a lot of graffiti over there.
We'll miss the ghosts.
And most of the graffiti is newer.
Love this place. Jesse Kapp, 2002. Brian Anderton, 2006. Zoe. This is the Nickelodeon on Sunset Maintenance Department area. Please don't bring or take anything from this area, and don't turn off the lights.
I've never been in here. I don't even know what this is.
You've never been in here? Let's go.
This part.
Reset.
It's just a little recess, yeah.
The place Paul's never
It's the
been.
center of the stage.
Oh, I'm certainly glad we're here. Look at that. I mean, you really get a sense of it.
See, so it's the center of the stage.
Dead center.
And you can see that, you can see the Nickelodeon on top of the stage.
Nickelodeon?
Well, their stage on top. See, they put a plate and wood on top of that.
Yes. Adaptive reuse of an existing venue.
Yeah. So it's possible that, they might have had someone that could come out through the center too. Who knows?
I would hope so. That was incredible. Okay, so for those of you who know, we're underneath the Earl Carroll Theater floor. And everything is here. If you've got $1 zillion, you could bring this back. And once again, the most beautiful women in the world could go right up onto the stage from down in this fuzzy basement. And you could be the one to make it happen. Please do it. Okay, we're going to go explore some more. Bye.
Yeah,